Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one's obsidian black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Got a nice wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, our media display, dual climate controls, hard keys for our radio and media, cup holders, more keys for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 38,235 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.